Finally. That's what it means to me, finally.
At long last, the trial of the accused King Soopers shooter is moving forward.
Doctors found the suspect is now competent to stand trial more than 2 years since the shooting that left 10 people dead. 9
News reporter Jennifer Meckles is at the courthouse in Boulder tonight. Spoke to the family of one of the victims. Jenny.
Yeah, Robert Olds, the uncle of Ricky Olds, who worked at the King Soopers, says he has been waiting for this kind of progress for a really, really long time. This suspect has been in custody since the day of the shooting back in March of 2021. But this question of competency, this is something that as of December that year, back in December 2021, has been a question, and it's been holding up this case moving forward in any way. So back then, back in that December of 21, a judge ruled that the suspect was not competent to stand trial based on evaluations from doctors at the state mental health hospital in Pueblo. They said he couldn't understand the charges against him, couldn't assist in his own defense. He's had a few hearings in the time since, but each time up until now has been deemed incompetent. Until now, the Colorado Department of Human Services says he has been restored to competency. He has no mental or developmental disability preventing him from working with his attorney on his defense. He can understand court proceedings. Now, this is important. A judge still has to sign off on this competency before this case can move ahead to trial. But even the doctor's update is a huge relief for the Olds family. And they tell me they're glad to see some progress, but they are still certainly cautious.
Guard yourself against getting too excited with some of this news, because you've lived it and you've been beaten down by it so many times before in this case. So it's a guarded joy. Hopefully it's some steps moving forward towards a little bit of justice. There's no doubt. There's no doubt what he did. He murdered 10 people. Let's get on with this. Let's get some justice served. Let's move a little bit closer towards closure.
So again, there's still some steps before this could go to trial, including a judge signing off and deeming the suspect competent to proceed. Prosecutors have filed a motion essentially asking that process to begin. They've also asked that the suspect be allowed to stay in the Mental Health Institute pending trial, because they believe that Boulder County Jail is just not equipped to administer the medications and to keep working within the same level of care that this person needs at this point, guys.
All right. Thank you for that update, Jennifer Meckles. Appreciate it.